guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a huge review because you guys seem to be loving all my slime reviews on my channel. And today I'm going to be reviewing Squishybunnii, aka Raul, and Uniicorn Slime Shop, aka Joseph Anthony. So if you want to keep on watching, then go ahead and keep on watching. But remember to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so you won't miss any other videos like this. This video is part of a big collab with some of my friends here on YouTube, and this is who they are. Joseph Anthony, Nicole Jacqueline, Jamela Navalua, and Peter Brett. So go ahead and check out their channels. I'll leave all the links to their channels and to their videos down below. So remember to go ahead and check out their channels. I'll leave all their videos and their channels down below in the description box. So if you want to see me open some slime, then keep on watching. So the first thing I pulled out was this extra baggie, which came with borax, his business card, and his slime care sheet, and some candies. And he also sent me so many extras like squishies. He sent me this ice cream squishy. He also sent me this little green putty, which is like a watermelon theme, and a lollipop. And he also sent me this huge cake squishy that smelled so good and was super slow rising, and an extra of soft clay, Daiso clay, and I was super shook. He sent so much. So this first slime that I received was a pink one, and I believe it's called Pink Cereal Milk. This one is a glossy, thick slime, and it's super nice. It smelled like Fruit Loops, and it was super nice. It didn't stick to me at all. I really loved how this was super thick, and I really loved it. So this next one is this blue one with giant foam beads and pink little beads, and it's called Cotton Candy Bubblegum. And these all do come with like this seal that protects them from shipping, and it's really like professional of him, and the stickers are super cute. So this one's another super nice one. This one's the thick one. It came a little sticky, but that's okay. It's something that Activator can fix, and it's not his fault because it's a hot weather right now and everything melts. But yeah, this one's super thick, and I really love it because it's super thick and creamy and like stretchy, and I really love how the big foam beads give it like a contrast of like, I don't know, I can't explain it. It gives it like this crunchy feeling. You can also hear like these little clicks and like cracks, and it felt so good in your hands that it was super thick. I really love this one. Okay, so this one is called Strawberry White Cake, and you guys, oh my god, this one like was my best like favorite one because it was super thick, and oh my god, super glossy. It did not need any activator, and you guys look, oh my god, look how thick this is. It came with jumbo foam beads and pink beads also, and it gave it a super nice texture. The scent of this was like a strawberry. It smelled like a fresh picked strawberry, and oh my god, I really fell in love with this one, you guys. I really recommend this one. This last one is called 3 AM Butter, and it's a butter slime. He's most famous for this one and his holographic slime, and this one I'm super excited to open it. So this one was a bit sticky, but nothing that a little activator can fix, right? So I just fixed it with some activator, and it turned out so perfect. You guys, look at all the swirls, look at the spread. Oh my god, I really fell in love with this one, and this one is scented like cherry. It smells super nice, and this one was inspired by his girlfriend Karina Garcia's 3 AM slime challenge, and it was super nice. So overall, I give this slime package a 10 out of 10 because all the slimes were super nice and super like thick and glossy, and all of his extras were super nice. He didn't even have to give them to me, but he did. So here's all his information if you guys want to go buy something. So this next slime package is from Unicorn Slime Shop, aka Joseph Anthony, and he sent me his Unicorn experience, aka his Lovely Corn experience, I think what it is, because it's a Valentine's Day edition. So when I opened the box, a tissue paper came on top and it hid everything from what's inside. And look, you guys, there's so much items in here and I was super excited to open it. So he included so many extras like squishies. He also included some borax. He included many packets of borax. He also included some little candies, his slime care sheet, a little charm for his slime, and some chocolates and some other slime. So that's really cool of him to include so many items for his unicorn experience. So this first one is called Pinky Promise, and it's a clear base slime with so many micro glitters, and I really love this one. The downside to this one was it was a bit sticky, but nothing that a little activator can fix, right? So I just added a ton of activator, not a ton, you know, like probably like 3 or 2 tablespoons, and it turned out so perfect. I love how the glitters match like the slime, and I think that's what gave it its color. And it came out with like these jumbo heart glitters, and I really like this one. Next one is called Love Potion, and this one I thought it was a regular slime when I opened it, but you guys, this one was a cloud cream, and I really like this one. Was probably one of my favorites from this package, and it smelled like banana strawberry yogurt, and it was super nice. The texture was something that I've never felt before, and I really loved it. I loved how those beads gave it another texture too. This one was a super thick slime. I really love it because it gave it the snow gave it a different texture, and the smell was super nice. So this next one is a pink one, and it's called Snowball, and I think this one smells like coconut. It smells exactly like, have you guys ever tasted those chocolate covered coconut balls from like the liquor store? It smells exactly like that, and it's super a nice smell. And the texture of this feels like fake snow with a super thick slime, and I really loved it because it gave it a different texture, and it was super thick and glossy at the same time. So this next one is called Unicorn Tears, and this one actually came with the unicorn horn charm, and it was super cute. So this one is a clear base slime with a pigment powder in it, and it was super nice. It wasn't sticky at all. It was super nice. The glitters gave it a nice look to it, and it was super pokeable and stretchy, and the unicorn horn was a nice touch to it. So last but not least, he sent me Chanel number 2, you guys. This one's like his best seller since he started his shop. This one's been selling out super quick, so if you guys want this one, you guys better get it quick. Chanel number 2 for him was inspired by Scream Queens like 2 years ago, and it was super like a good show. So this one's a super thick and glossy base. It smells like bubble gum, and it's super nice when you like play with it and drizzle it with your hands. It's super like a nice texture. This one's probably like the one I really recommend. If you're gonna get something from his shop, I suggest you get this one real quick, because when he stocks it, he like sells this one out in like 3 minutes. So I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did like the video, then go ahead and like, share, and subscribe, and remember to turn on post notifications so you won't miss any or other videos like this. Oh, and remember to go check out all my friends that are in this collab. I'll leave all the links to their channels and to their videos down below. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.